What's up, guys? Today we're going to go over a Wi-Fi camera or Wi-Fi endoscope that comes with your duct cleaning package. You can also buy it from us separately, but we're going to include this in our duct cleaning package, as it will be very helpful for you guys to use when trying to show a customer how dirty their ducts are, and then how clean they are after you clean them, after you do your job. Let's take the sleeve off. I have other duct cleaning stuff here too, as you can see. So we get in the box. We have the camera itself. A very nice detailed manual. Charging cable and some tips. So you have a mirror tip. So you will put this at the end of the at the end of the camera, and this will act as a mirror, and it will show you what's around the corner. There's a hook. There's a hook. You can also add to the front of the camera, because you have to pull any wires or anything. And this is a magnetic tip. So put that in there. Let's take a look at the camera itself. So I believe this is 50 feet cable. Here's your camera right here. Very rigid metallic camera with a nice folding cable. From here, we have what you essentially is like one of your controls. And I say one of the controls for a reason, which I'll let you know. So here in the bottom, we have your charging. We have a camera button, so you could take pictures while you have the camera in there. And we have a zoom and zoom out button. On this side here, we have a Wi-Fi. Not a Wi-Fi button, an on and off button. This controls the light, the LED lights around the camera. So the benefit of having this control or this particular camera is that it's Wi-Fi, so you can plug it into your phone. Even if you're in a basement or an attic, maybe you don't have connectivity, you don't have the customer's Wi-Fi. This is actually a Wi-Fi emitter. So when you turn this on and you go and search for your Wi-Fi, I think the Wi-Fi is called Jet Zone, and it has a password in the manual. So I think it's like 1 through 8. So you connect to it directly, and from your phone you'll be able to take pictures and record and save pictures as well, so you can show your customers. And that, it's a free app as well. We can show the app. So I don't know if I'm going to do it right after this video or after I show what the camera looks like in the duct, but I'll make sure that I'll show you guys what the app setup looks like and the quality of the camera. This is very good HD images. For some reason, the closer you get to certain objects, the more clear it gets. So yes, I'll show you that in the next part of the video. Taff here. Taff, say hi.
Hi.
Well, I'm going to walk him through connecting the Wi-Fi of the camera through to his phone, and just watch how easy it is. So first, turn on this receiver on this side right here. It's a button right here. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Turn it on. See the light is on. That means it's on your phone, Taff. I'll hold this for you. Go to your settings. Go to your settings up there. Go to your Wi-Fi. And in your Wi-Fi, you'll see that jet icon Wi-Fi down there. Yep. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And join. Perfect. Now this is going to join and connect. Now we can go to the app tab, to the HD app that you can download for free. Allow it. And there we go. That is our camera right there. Now we're going to go and inspect this duct right here using our camera. So Taff, I'll let you take over.
Okay.
And now hold this for our viewers.
Okay. So we're gonna just do an inspection.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you unlock this for me, Taff? All right. So now let's take a look at what Taff is doing, and we'll look at it on the camera.
I'm going in here.
Yep.
Can you view anything yet?
Perfect. Thank you, Taff. See, you guys see how clear that is? The walls. I'll let you look at it, Taff, as well, so you can see what you're doing. Pretty clean.
Not bad.
And very clear. So that was just the setup. Very simple, very quick. Takes a couple of minutes. You don't need Wi-Fi connection at your customers. You don't have to ask them for Wi-Fi, and you don't even need to have a cellular connection on your phone. This camera emits its own Wi-Fi signal that you connect to. Thank you.